In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your HP Laserjet Pro MFP 3101fdw printer using an Ethernet cable. So this is the fast, reliable and very secure method to use your printer. It will stay online and you can use it with different devices for wireless printing and scanning using your laptop, MacBook or your smartphone. And you can also use it with the USB cable if you don't want to use it over the Wi-Fi. Now first step is to set up the printer. So switch on the printer. So right now I'm just going to select the language English, confirm, select the country of residence. On the next screen it will ask you to select if you want to use it with the wireless, Ethernet or USB cable. Now take the Ethernet cable and connect one end of the cable with your printer and the second end with your wireless router. Go to the back side of your printer. There is an Ethernet cable plug, so we just have to plug it in here. So we will just plug it in here. Now go to the back side of your router. At the back of the router you will see there are yellow ports. You just have to connect the other end of the port. You just have to connect the other end of the wire here. Once it is connected, you will see the lights will start to blink. That means it is connected successfully. Now go to your printer. Once you connect it to your printer, it will display all the information regarding your Ethernet summary. Now click on the OK button. I just have to select the date and time. On the next screen it will ask you for the updates. Click next. You can select auto update or notify or do not check and click on the save. Click on the continue. You will see the main screen of the printer. Now in case you have already done the initial setup of the printer, then you don't have to follow the complete process. Just plug in the Ethernet cable at the back of the printer and it will automatically connect. When printer is connected properly, you will see the Ethernet icon without any issue. Next step is to use it with the different devices. If you want to use it with your laptop, then you have to download the HP Smart app. This is a Windows 11 laptop. You can download it from the Microsoft Store. To add the printer, first you have to go to the search button and type in HP Smart. Open the app. To add the printer, we can click on the add new printer icon. Wait on this screen and make sure your laptop is already connected to the same router using the Wi-Fi. Here we have all the printers. Select HP Laserjet printer. It says online. Printer driver is successfully installed. Click continue. Wait for the printer to show up here. That is our printer with the estimated level of ink. So let's do a scanning test, so that will give the result about the speed of the printer. So I have placed some pages on the ADF tray. Right now I'm just going to click on the scan icon that is here and click on the scan. Instantly it has received the message and it has started to scan. That's the speed of the printer when you use it with the Ethernet cable, and you can use it wirelessly with your devices. Scan is successfully done and it is transferred. This also makes the printer secure. Nobody else can use it because it's not on the Wi-Fi, it's just connected with the Ethernet cable. Next is to use it with the other devices. For example, I'm going to show you how to use it with your smartphone. Right now I have an iPhone here. Download the HP Smart app. You can download it from the App Store. Now add the printer. Select the option Setup or Add Printer. Select the second option, Already Connected to Network. It will give the list of printers. Select HP Laserjet Printer. Instantly it will add up and it will show up here. Now we can start using it for printing and scanning. Select any document to print. For example, I'm just going to print this one. Now click on the print icon. Instantly it will receive the message and start printing. You will see how quick your printer is, and that's the printing result. So if you want a fast printing experience, then you just have to plug in the Ethernet cable. Let's do the scanning using the smartphone. Now go back. On the main screen, click on the scan icon and click scan. You will see it will start to scan automatically, and we are receiving all the images here. So this is the way we can use the printer with the Ethernet cable, and it increases the speed of the printer for printing and scanning. It also becomes more secure. Thanks for watching.